The LDM Kitchen is host to a very exciting and very tasty event that aims to integrate and insert disadvantaged people into the workplace. Enterprises Meet Migrants for Employment is a biannual project financed by the Asylum, Migration and Integration Fund from the European Commission that aims to promote integration and insertion of migrant people into the jobs market through the active involvement of businesses. At the Central Market in Florence, at LDM's Kitchen, in collaboration with the cooperative Il Cenacolo, a workshop was hosted to simulate the team dynamics of many workplaces. A cooking activity, where participants could take part in preparing and presenting dishes from their home country, took place to allow participants to explore and experiment the human dynamics that can develop in places of work, such as working to deadlines, organising resources, collaborating in order to reach shared goals.
Da molti anni noi lavoriamo sul tema dell'inclusione e dell'integrazione, cioè la cooperativa Il Cenacolo lavora non solo con i migranti ma anche con servizi che si occupano di inserimento al lavoro di persone svantaggiate. Quindi il tema dell'integrazione riguarda sia le persone che vengono da paesi diversi ma anche persone che in qualche modo hanno delle difficoltà per la loro diversità. I migliori progetti anche a livello mondiale sono stati costruiti grazie a persone che provenivano da paesi diversi, perché ognuno metteva poi la sua creatività in termini di esperienza, di cultura, di quello che aveva vissuto, perché se noi rispondiamo agli stimoli che ci vengono dall'esterno semplicemente con quello che abbiamo vissuto noi è un po' ristretta la cosa, quindi io ritengo che sia una ricchezza l'integrazione sia a livello individuale che a livello di comunità, è una bella sfida.
As well as the practical and logistical skills that the participants from many different cultures can take away with them, the food is fundamental to creating a feeling of togetherness and to learn new things.
This in our country they call it domoda. So you just come and put there water and you put there your meat and leave it until it's boiled, Then you just come and put like granite with the grind already. You put it inside and your oil and you have some oleo and tomato, and you leave it until it's boiled. When the water just go down, you just take it and put it on top of freezer, so you eat it. In our country, we eat this much, and it's good also, we have vitamins, so that's why I choose to make it.
The good things of today was the possibility to be with another culture and a lot of different nationality. They give to us their experience and they help us to grow and increase our experience. All of them, they are very friendly and they're very good in the kitchen. That's why it's very good to spend our time all together and learn a lot about that culture.